Hobby ko, wala lang. Gusto ko lang bago ako matulog, kantahan kita. Yan, naglakas loob akong kumanta kahit hindi maganda yung boses ko. Isang taon ko itong pinag-practicean. Sana magustuhan mo. Kung hindi mo magustuhan yung boses ko, pakinggan mo na lang yung lyrics. Okay? So, Happy, para sa iyo itong kantang to. Was not so happy being lonely and living without you. So I prayed so hard for your love. In my heart I needed you. Then look up in the sky, and I'm thinking why, oh why? These are all the many changes in my life. After all the caring and the laughter, no one else like you. I am not a preacher with a sermon, I'm so in love with you. 'Cause to live without your love, like a sun that shines above, is the magic of the changes in my life. Never forget your love. You and I, we were meant to be. Sweet as rain falling from the sky. You and I, these are all the many changes in my life. Listen to these words, I want to give you all my love so true. Don't forget I love you and I need you, I'll always be with you. You look up in the sky and I'm fine, why, oh why? These are all the many changes in my life. Never forget your love. You and I, we were meant to be. Sweet as rain falling from the sky. You and I, these are all the many changes. These are all the many changes. These are all the many changes in my life. So, tutok lang dito sa pilit na ginagayat ng unong radio station. Walang iba kundi ang 90.7 Love Radio. Kailangan ba bang i-memorize yan? At syempre kasama niyo pa rin po ang nag-iisang DJ. Walang iba kundi yung DJ Cassie na walang kasing kulit. Kaya pati sa kama ay nangungulit.